Why does your salary disappear so fast, even when nothing major changed? The rent's paid. Groceries are stocked. You didn't splurge on anything big. Yet, somehow, you're counting the days until payday, again. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Today, we're sharing the top 8 smart ways to make your salary last the entire month, without skipping meals, canceling joy, or drowning in spreadsheets. These aren't gimmicks. They're habits that help real people stretch income, reduce stress, and build control over their financial future. If your money always runs out before the month does, this video will change how you handle each paycheck, starting now. Let's dive in. 1. Make a realistic, weekly-based budget. Most people build a monthly budget, and then overspend by week 2. That's because life doesn't operate in 30-day chunks. Bills might be monthly, but spending happens every day. Start by dividing your salary into weekly portions. If you get paid once a month, split your income into 4 parts. Allocate one for each week. This method gives you a clearer sense of what you can actually afford at any given time, whether that's groceries, transportation, or fun. Don't worry about making it perfect. What matters is that it reflects your actual life. Include realistic amounts for food, travel, and small pleasures. The goal isn't to punish yourself, it's to plan for what you already know you'll spend. When you move from monthly guessing to weekly clarity, your spending becomes intentional, not accidental. 2. Track every expense, even the small ones. You can't stretch your money if you don't know where it's going. Those little expenses, coffee runs, delivery fees, last-minute snacks, seem harmless, but they chip away at your paycheck faster than you think. Use a notebook, an app, or even voice notes to log what you spend every day. Don't skip anything, even if it's just a $2 drink or a $5 subscription you forgot to cancel. This habit isn't about control, it's about awareness. Once you see the patterns, you'll notice where your salary is leaking. Maybe it's convenience food. Maybe it's unused subscriptions. Maybe it's boredom shopping during lunch breaks. Whatever it is, now you can address it, with clarity, not guilt. People who track their money spend more wisely, not because they earn more, but because they understand what their money's doing. 3. Plan all meals before payday, and shop from your pantry. Food is one of the biggest monthly expenses, and one of the easiest to cut without sacrifice. Before payday, do a full scan of your pantry, freezer, and fridge. You probably have more meals than you think. Get creative. Pair those items with low-cost staples like rice, pasta, lentils, or frozen vegetables. Plan out what you can cook for the next week or 2. Then make a grocery list, not based on cravings, but based on what's missing. This method reduces both food waste and random shopping trips. Plus, cooking at home gives you better control over both your budget and your health. You don't need to give up flavor, just the habit of impulse eating. Stretch your salary by stretching your meals. You'll be surprised how much you can save just by being intentional with food. 4. Cut back without cutting out, use low-cost alternatives. You don't need to eliminate joy to stretch your salary, you just need to replace costly habits with budget-friendly ones. Love takeout? Try cooking a version of your favorite dish at home. Need a night out? Host a movie night with friends instead of going to the cinema. Small substitutions can lead to big savings. Cancel 1 or 2 paid subscriptions and replace them with free content platforms. Use free public transport options, library services, or local events in your area. The key here is to avoid the all-or-nothing trap. You don't need to cancel everything. Just adjust the balance. Replace one expensive habit with one free or cheap version, and you'll create breathing room in your budget, without feeling like you're sacrificing your lifestyle. Financial control doesn't mean boring. It means smart swaps that still let you enjoy life. 5. Use loyalty points, cashback, and discounts before spending cash. Before you buy anything with your salary, check if you already have store points, vouchers, or cashback credits that can cover the cost. Many people forget about these small balances sitting unused in their accounts. Supermarkets, clothing brands, even tech stores offer loyalty programs that accumulate savings. Cashback apps and credit cards may offer redeemable rewards. Some platforms even give bonus credit when you trade cashback for store-specific gift cards. It's free money, use it wisely. Check your emails, app notifications, or store accounts to see what you can use this week. Even saving £10 here and there adds up fast when you're trying to make your salary last. Smart savers know that squeezing extra value from what they already own is a game changer. 6. Stay away from payday loans and short-term credit. When your salary feels tight, it's tempting to reach for quick fixes, overdrafts, payday loans, or short-term credit. These might seem like solutions at the moment, but they come with serious long-term costs. The interest piles up fast. Before you know it, next month's paycheck is already spent on last month's emergency. This cycle traps people in constant repayment, where they're always trying to catch up, but never moving forward. Instead, focus on prevention. Build a small emergency buffer, even if it's just £20 at first. Explore social tariffs, local grants, or food aid if things get tight. Talk to your providers about flexible payment plans. Avoiding short-term debt isn't about pride, it's about protecting your future paychecks. Keep your salary for you, not for lenders. 7. Schedule a weekly money reset check-in. Most people wait until the end of the month to see how their finances went. But by then, it's too late. Instead, create a short weekly routine, just 10 to 15 minutes, where you check your bank balance, review your expenses, and plan for the days ahead. This money reset helps you stay aware without getting overwhelmed. You'll notice if a bill is coming up, if you've overspent in one category, or if you still have enough left for a fun weekend plan. It also gives you the power to adjust. If you overspend on transport, you can cut back on takeout. If you save money on groceries, maybe you have room for a treat. These micro-adjustments help you stay balanced across the entire month. People who manage their money in small doses rarely feel financial panic. Because they're always in the know, not in the dark. 8. Use the 3-day rule for non-essential spending. Impulse purchases can be one of the biggest salary killers. That new gadget, outfit, or subscription might seem small, but when bought on a whim, it often leads to regret. To fix this, use the 3-day rule. When you want to buy something non-essential, wait 3 days. Don't say no, just delay the yes. This gap gives you time to check if it fits your budget, if you truly want it, or if you were just reacting to a mood. More often than not, the urge fades, and your wallet thanks you. But if you still want it after 3 days, and it fits your budget, go ahead without guilt. This rule builds mindful spending habits. It teaches you how to say yes with confidence, not regret. And over time, it keeps your salary focused on what truly matters. Making your salary last isn't about earning more. It's about using what you already earn more wisely. These 8 habits aren't about deprivation, they're about design. They help you build a financial routine where your money actually supports your life, instead of slipping away unnoticed. When you shift from reaction to intention, your entire month changes. You stop dreading payday. You stop fearing surprises. You begin to build rhythm, structure, and calm. You're not just surviving the month anymore. You're managing it, with purpose. If you found even one idea here that you'll try this month, go ahead and tap that like button. Share this with someone who always runs short before payday. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly guides that help you master your money without losing your mind. Before you go, drop your answer in the comments. What income management tip should AI guide you through next? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.